Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Sri Rama Bharati Public School. This is Natasha here. In this video, we will try to understand the role of government in health sector. Through a story of Hakim Sheikh, we will try to understand why is it important for government to look after the people of the country, or why it becomes the responsibility of government to provide minimum basic health facilities to the people. So first of all, who is Hakim Sheikh? Hakim Sheikh is member of Paschim Banga Khet Mazdoor Samiti. He is an agricultural laborer and agricultural laborers together formed a group or an organization called Paschim Banga Khet Mazdoor Samiti and he is a member of it. The group is in Bengal. So what happened in 1992? He accidentally fell off a running train and had severe head injury. So after that, he was taken to a government hospital in Kolkata. Now what happened was the government hospital denied admitting him, or they refused to admit him. Why? They said that they have no spare bed. They have no extra bed. Only because of this small reason, he was denied treatment in that government hospital. So what was done? He was taken to another government hospital. Another government hospital also denied him treatment, saying that they did not have facility or specialized doctors. He had to spend 14 hours in critical condition. Since he had severe head injury, he was bleeding, he was in a critical condition. And because none of the government hospitals provided him treatment, he was just moving from one government hospital to another, wishing that maybe one of them would provide him treatment. But he was taken to 8 different hospitals and none of them admitted him. They all gave him one reason or the other, but none of them treated him. None of them admitted him. So, since he was in a critical condition, the last option that was left was to move him to a private hospital. Now, you must be thinking he could have initially gone to the private hospital. Why moving from one government hospital to another? See, Hakim Sheikh comes from an agricultural background. He was not economically strong. He was not very rich. And as we already know that private hospital provides very expensive treatment as compared to government hospitals. Government hospitals provide treatment at a very low cost or even free. So when he was denied treatment in government hospitals, he moved to a private hospital. He received treatment there, but he had to spend a lot of money on his treatment. Maybe he could have spent his entire savings on his treatment. So he was very angry and upset with the attitude of government hospitals. So what he did, he filed a case in the court. Now you must be thinking, on what grounds can he file a case against government hospital? What power does he have to do that? Now, because people pay taxes to the government, it becomes the responsibility of government to provide basic health facilities to the people of the country. And same is the case with government hospitals. Since government is running the government hospital, it becomes the duty of the government hospital to treat each and every patient, no matter how problematic it is, no matter if they have an extra bed or not. It becomes the responsibility of government hospital to treat the patient. Now, since Hakim Sheikh was in a critical condition and all the government hospitals denied treatment, all the government hospitals showed irresponsibility. So Hakim Sheikh filed a case against the government hospitals in the court. Because he is a citizen of country and he has some certain rights, he filed a case against the government hospital. Now, what was the result of this case we will come to know in the next video. But through this case, I hope it is clear that if a person is denied treatment in government hospitals, a person has entire power to file a case against them in the court. Why? Because we pay taxes to the government, and it is the responsibility of the government to look after the people of the country in every way. So we will get to know the answer in next video. Till then, have a good day.